Are you ready to take your ethical hacking skills to the next level? Whether you're a cybersecurity expert or just getting started, having the right tools is essential. In this video, we'll break down the top 10 ethical hacking tools that every hacker, pen tester, and security researcher should know. Stay tuned until the end, because we have a special bonus tool that will blow your mind. 1. Invicti, the ultimate web security scanner, is a powerful web application security scanner that automatically detects vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting XSS. Features: uses proof-based scanning technology for dead accurate results. Scans over 1,000 web apps in just 24 hours. Integrates easily with SDLC and bug tracking systems. Why you need it? If you're a web security enthusiast, Invicti is a must-have for finding security flaws before hackers do. 2. Nmap, Network Mapper, the king of network scanners. Nmap is a legend in the hacking world. It's an open-source network scanner that helps hackers map out networks, detect live hosts, services, and open ports. Features: performs fast and stealthy scans of entire networks. Identifies OS versions, running services, and firewalls. Script extensible for advanced exploitation. Why you need it? If you're into penetration testing, you need Nmap for scanning targets before launching an attack simulation. 3rd, Metasploit, the best exploitation framework. Metasploit is the most powerful penetration testing tool used by hackers and security pros worldwide. Features: comes with over 1,500 exploits for testing security vulnerabilities. Automates exploitation and post-exploitation tasks. Helps ethical hackers create custom payloads to test defenses. Why you need it? If you want to simulate real-world attacks, Metasploit is the ultimate hacking playground. 4. Nessus, the best vulnerability scanner. Nessus is a top-tier vulnerability scanner that detects security weaknesses in networks, applications, and systems. Features: identifies misconfigurations, unpatched software, and weak passwords. Scans for over 50,000 known vulnerabilities. Provides detailed reports with risk ratings. Why you need it? If you work in network security, Nessus helps you stay ahead of cyber threats. 5. Wireshark, the best packet sniffer. Wireshark is a powerful network analysis tool that captures and inspects network traffic. Features: monitors live traffic in real time, analyzes data at deep packet levels, supports hundreds of protocols for in-depth investigation. Why you need it? If you're into network security or forensics, Wireshark helps uncover hidden threats. 6. John the Ripper, the ultimate password cracker. John the Ripper is one of the most popular password cracking tools used by ethical hackers. Features: supports brute force, dictionary, and hybrid attacks. Works on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Detects weak passwords in system security audits. Why you need it? If you're testing password security, John the Ripper is the best tool for the job. 7. SQL Map, the best SQL injection tool. SQL Map automates SQL injection attacks, allowing ethical hackers to test database security. Features: supports 6 powerful SQL injection techniques. Automates database takeover and data extraction. Works with MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and more. Why you need it? If you're testing for database vulnerabilities, SQL Map is a must-have tool. 8. Burp Suite, the best web application security tool. Burp Suite is an all-in-one toolkit for testing web security and hunting vulnerabilities. Features: intercepts and modifies live web traffic. Finds XSS, SQL injection, and authentication flaws. Includes an advanced web crawler for mapping applications. Why you need it? If you test web applications, Burp Suite is your best friend. 9. AirCrack-ing, the best wireless hacking tool. AirCrack-ing is the ultimate tool for testing Wi-Fi security. Features: captures and cracks, WEP and WPA, 2 passwords. Monitors wireless traffic and detects rogue access points. Works on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Why you need it. If you work with wireless security, AirCrack NG is a must-have. Gisonte Maltego, the best OSINT and data mining tool. Maltego is a powerful open-source intelligence OSINT tool for cyber investigation and network analysis. Features: maps relationships between domains, emails, and social media profiles. Helps in forensic investigations and threat intelligence. Works on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Why you need it. If you're into cyber investigations, Maltego helps uncover hidden connections. And that's a wrap on the top 10 ethical hacking tools to watch in 2025. Which of these tools have you used before? Comment below and let us know your favorite. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.